Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hop. For this example, we're told to differentiate the following function, which is the function f of x is equal to x squared times root x plus sine x times x squared plus 1. In order to find the derivative of this function, we need to use the product rule, and you will see when we actually differentiate this function. So the derivative of f of x, and I'm going to write it as d over dx of f of x is going to be equal to the derivative of the first term. So that's the derivative of x squared times root x plus the derivative of sine x times x squared plus 1. Now we're going to apply the product rule to find the derivative of each term. So to find the derivative of the function x squared times root x, we're going to apply the product rule. And this is equal to the derivative of x squared, which is 2x, times the second function, which is root x, plus the first function, x squared, times the derivative of the second function. So using the power rule, that's just equal to 1 over 2 times x to the negative 1 over 2. And this is equal to 2x times root x plus x squared over 2 times root x. And likewise, we can do the same thing for the function sine x times x squared plus 1. So the derivative of sine x times x squared plus 1 is equal to, so once again, applying the product rule, this is equal to the derivative of sine x, which is cosine of x, times the second function, which is x squared plus 1, plus the first function, which is sine x, times the derivative of the second function, which is 2x. So putting everything together, the derivative of our function f of x is equal to 2x times root x plus x squared over 2 root x plus cosine of x times x squared plus 1 plus sine of x times 2x. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.